How to fix games crashing in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your games keep on crashing on your Windows. So let us get started. So first you'll need to head over to Run, and in Run you'll need to type this command right here. Make sure that you open sysdm.cpl. After you type that in, hit on enter and this should open up. Now here, head over to Advanced Settings, and under Advanced Settings, tap on Settings in Performance option, and Performance options should pop up. Now right here, you'll need to adjust this for best performance. So just select this and tap on Apply and then hit on OK. After you do so, you'll need to head back and open up your Task Manager. So open up your Task Manager, you can simply search it on your search bar. And after you open it up, you will see an option that says Run New Task. Tap on it. Now under here, you will need to browse. Tap on Browse. Now here, you will need to go to your C drive. And under C drive, you'll need to go to System32. Now let me show you where that is. So this should be your C drive. Simply head over to your System32. Scroll down till you find that. Let me search for that too. So there it is. Open up your System32 file. And under here, you need to find CMD. Now, search for cmd.exe. You can simply search for it here, cmd.exe here, and tap on Open. Now, this should be the path that should appear here. Tap on Create this task with administrative privileges, and then hit on OK. After you hit on OK, your command prompt should open up. So right here, you will need to type in this following command. I'll make sure that I add this in the description. So simply type this in, type scf /scan now and hit enter. Now this process can take some time, maybe up to 30 minutes. And after this completes, your problem will get fixed. And yeah, that is basically how you solve the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.